Okay, so you know what you need? You need a Christmas tree.
Huh?
Come on, Freddie. This one? Come on, Freddie. Come here. Want a tree? Freddie, tree.
Careful.
Do I need to open the box?
Well, do you want to see what's in the box?
Yeah.
Then you might need to open the box. You need some scissors.
Thank you, Mom.
Just be careful. You should probably only have to cut it in 2 places, and then you can flip it over and open it up. No, flip it over. No. Flip it over first.
This way?
Turn the box. No, turn the whole box over.
Now open.
Now open it from the other side. From the other side.
This side?
Because you cut the tape on the other side. There you go. Now you're getting it. See that? Or you're going to have to cut more tape. You're funny.
More tape. I'm going to take it out. This.
Careful. See the first trip to the Holiday ER.
It's a guitar. It's a guitar.
Well, open it up. Careful. Honey, you want to help him take it out of the...
Yep.
Because he's good.
Come here, Freddie. Okay. Pretty cool. Take the strap.
I think so.
Let's sit down with that now.
Yeah. I'm going to try this out.
Extra cord and a
The
pig.
cord, I know what the cord is for. If you have a microphone for guitars, you can connect it to it.
No, these are actually extra strings, kid.
Oh.
Yeah, this is not an electric guitar, kiddo.
Lay down, puppies. Go, go,